Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, we're diving into the best water bottle holder for bicycles, the Ride Race RR9345. If you're looking for a holder that's durable, lightweight, and easy to use, this might just be the one for you. So stay with us for all the details. Let's get started. Product features: lightweight and streamlined design. One of the first things you'll notice is how light this holder feels. That's a big plus for cyclists who care about every gram on their bike. The streamlined shape isn't just for looks. It reduces wind drag, which means better efficiency on the road. High toughness and durability. Made with glass fiber nylon, this material gives the holder a strong build while still keeping it light. It's tough enough to handle daily use and won't crack or wear easily, even on bumpy or off-road trails. Simple and quick installation. Nobody wants to deal with complicated setup, and with the Ride Race RR9345, you don't have to. It installs easily onto your bike's frame using standard mounting points and screws. It's also compatible with most standard-sized water bottles, so you won't need to buy a special one just to make it fit. Firm and reliable hold. Perhaps the most important feature, the secure grip. Thanks to its thick material and tight frame, your bottle stays in place even when you're riding over rough terrain. No rattling, no slipping, just peace of mind that your hydration is always within reach. Pros: ultra lightweight, doesn't weigh down your ride. Durable material, built to last long even under tough conditions. Easy installation, no special tools needed. Compatible with standard bottles, no hassle with sizing. Strong grip, holds bottles firmly, even on bumpy trails. Sleek designed, looks great on any type of bicycle. Cons: not suitable for oversized bottles. Larger bottles may not fit snugly. Fixed size, no adjustable elements for custom bottle shapes. Limited color options, might not match all bike aesthetics. Final thoughts. To wrap it all up, the Ride Race RR9345 water bottle holder is an excellent choice for cyclists who want a lightweight, durable, and secure solution for carrying their water bottle. Its build quality, ease of installation, and firm grip make it ideal for both casual riders and serious cyclists alike. Whether you're commuting to work, training, or heading out on an adventure, this holder has your hydration needs covered. If you're interested in picking one up, be sure to check the price link in the description below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gear reviews and tech tips, only here on Back Tech Kingo. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.